Ude na for nak de today una don't hear that educational talk no. Mo na understand say we dey with una. How the thing dey work for the way the worker. We dey tell una mo na no loss una data. Anything una get like difficulties. Una hear we for the thing dey come up fine, dey come up kankwe. So countryman, countrywoman, plenty human interest story then dey. That means say story for bad thing the way they go happen. When the one don't chook the one, the one don't do the one. Accident don't happen for this side. They dey plenty we go give una today. We go carry una go for West region. We go for that side for South region. We carry una go for Yaoundé. We carry una to talk palava. That small jacka where they call it say Matisse. We play baby campaign don't start. We'll talk palava Flo de Lille. That influencer where they be put from Gata. And then they don't move it back. They say na Samuel Etofis, he beg. So they don't really see. We go talk matter too for some small girl for that side for PK14. Wait till happen for PK14. So we get today the rapey, he get belly, and then he don't born at rape king, he call for people that need help him. Now so the thing there, he don't knock him, he say SOS. For that side for Bafu, now so man, we get 4 woman, he take collars, he call the other woman for the now wait till happen. We go tell for Bafu. Now for West region, yes, Bafu na for that side for Chang. What happen for Bafu? That thing they baffle me. May I repeat myself? What happen for Bafu? It baffle me. The boy we na polygamous person. What he do? He don't marry 1, 2, 3, 4 women them. As he don't marry that 4 women them. It come for us. I don't know what that program for chop. Baby say, now they want to get chop this day, they want to get chop that day. And then the day we reach around number 3 woman, they only for get chop. Now so I hear say, countryman, that woman will be get damage for give. As he enter house now, he see plate, he empty. The man just vex. He name Nangefa Kana. He vex. He go take contrast. He cut down number 3 woman for the wunam. As I talk so, the woman there for that side for hospital, it is young for day. With that man, he don't cut you with collapse. Now can't if he hold some person for same reach that level where because of palava chop, it take collapse, it cut the woman with them. I think say barbarism don't give some kind of way. It work like a wildfire now. Or now because of social media, we get all the news. Or if it happen before, but will not be the get time. Now the question that way, sometimes we ask ourselves. But honestly, I don't know if you understand. Say you can't ask, chop no day. You know, ask yourself first question. You give money for chop. If you give money for chop, why you no cook am? You know, ask that question then. That woman is sick, or if you get something where they do a worry ye, or if it vex with you, wait it happen. None of that question then, the man no ask am. The only thing we see and for do, now for take contrast, a cut down man. As I talk for una so, I hear say, they never catch it. Now so I don't hear, sometimes before they don't, but they say they never catch it. So tell a woman there for hospital, in nang yi, normally for tang. In nang yi fine, after I don't take collars, touch woman with them. Hey, countryman, that kind of thing no fine. Yesterday been an International Woman Day. I just said that thing in this way, people don't get for talk so that made they be against, or we will get for be against this kind of inhuman treatment where they give for some woman. Even a man picking a woman treated that way, would they against barbarism, brutality, you know, it solve no problem. It only bring a problem for family. Imagine now say they take it, they give long prison term. What you go cost enough for family? I go manage that 4 woman then. I go manage, I go marry another one, tell go come over prison, plenty one them, and then also use scholars for solve the problem that we go get out to them. Now the question that way, we the ask them. Another, the news today, na say somebody kaki, they don't put hand for you. They are they don't take you go for that side for tout le monde kondenge. Eme kondenge. Voilà, me que kondenge. Monsieur le ministre kondenge. Ego kondenge. Mr. Amugu, na driver for Secretary General for police. So, they talk say, ide like say, the Congo Sawe be they say, where the people will look at like say that paper the way picking the one right exam for police say na he make before the exam he come up for outside. That means how when I be driver for Secretary General, then number 2 Oga for police for Cameroon. Secretary General now he prepare exam and the all that document must be of because I be Secretary General for police. A driver long neck. He look at me say, hey, I feel do one, I sell them small. Now what you want my eye now? I feel see the one, I sell them small, I give my small buru for day. Now we don't make it don't come on. Now you picking the call and say low. That means say water low. Here low the all. Here low the all. For police, here low the all. Now we say now which kind of education that way the gear. Now which kind of training that you go start. Picking the one right exam for become police officer then. They start now for fake thing. And then a policeman he make a come out. Tout le monde kondingi. Monsieur le ministre kondingi. Yes, they don't hold him. It didn't so it young and then all other people then too we sell them for them. They know say they are all not rich now. They don't reach now, so they shake any man they fear. Say tomorrow if you hold me tomorrow on my own terms, sometimes if you hold me tomorrow if you hold me. Now so you don't be now countryman. Now fine thing. Justice must take a cause for put all the people them for order. Another order. These drivers them when they just drive carelessly, senselessly. What will happen? Some driver, he take a big gongoro. He start like the other day I be telling you for say for that side for marché de flare. Some driver take gongoro. We come out for that side for Upwe or for airport side. It can't reach for marché de flare. We traffic like day. It is me I say now which kind of thing is after I break. Imagine say he breaks fail. Imagine say I don't know anything will just happen when any disorder bram it go jam man and then go start talk saying error and this and that. Why you this speed for town? Why you this speed for town? No be na Broadway or what they call it for we say autoroute Broadway. You no be na Broadway don't say speed limit na 120 or na 140. You there for inside town where must you run. Be very careful. You remember, time you go jam man kill him. The other day I tell you about some gongoro. We for Douala here we kill 3 people. Now this for that side for a bomb bank. That side for a bomb bank. That means saying that for East region, the land of the rising sun. Some gongoro come out high speed for road for that side for a bomb bank. High speed. Now let me do my onomatopia. Now that tumbe remeden. They go there for Shango. That remedy go there for Shang. Now so down gongolo, it take them bang bang bram, tanka tang bam, on time. A key that remedy where they be the work out of a corner road for go there for Shang. Just because of the carelessness and the recklessness grandma don't enter there for that driver. Now that family don't lose their mommy, family don't lose their sister. Now only for Sikaweti, for Sika recklessness. Tori day. So small jacka in a reme there is zunga. Let me say there is suffer. The girl on bondi picking, papa for the picking, he chapum. He say no day, he run. He vamos. The girl now, what he do? He don't write now for social media. He write Christopher Wu, that footballer, what they call it Christopher Wu. He beg he say, may help you. He write to, he talk about situation where he picking, and then he snap picture. He then they say, what now water they come up for the picking, but they don't put some tube for inside. Or the picking no for piece on away to you. Man of you know. They begin the 5 years. In them na bienvenue. Ndefo bienvenue the only cry. Till no day, way no day. That remake talk say he need money for operate this in 5 years. Picking. He don't make that so plenty people they don't give small money So one they don't give 100,000, so one they don't give 13,000, 50,000, 10,000, 25, 3,000, 25,000. And then Christopher who is himself, that footballer, he don't contribute 1 million. Christopher who don't send 1 million for support that Reme. So the contribution they see come out, he continue, and they talk say the operation will take place now for reference hospital for Sang Malima. Because now for day that Pekin day as I will talk now. So if you see picture for that Pekin, then you not touch your heart for say maybe try help small. That means say I don't know how to put that. That means sometimes you for some big problem. We wait for help no day. But because if you wait for help day, if you see that picture for that Pekin, the nature of the Pekin day, I don't know. What even hospital too no people in hand for say me they support them, may they operate that Pekin. Because Minister for Health, they don't try to do some of these things. So I think say they too they fit intervene for operate this Pekin for this situation. You as Papa, you give bele, that means say you give me for Zoreme. The Reme don't take them now, he born Pekin. Pekin come out the sick, you run you kwata, you no one see you, no matter for day. You say food with your chop, I no give you. So man Pekin them they pass my power. For now the story for una. For that side, for man, now for South region, where do want happen? Small Pekin them, one way they 15 years, other way they 12 years, no another kind of argument no. My papa tall, your papa short, my mommy yellow, your mommy black, your mommy this, my papa get sense, your mommy this, my papa na teacher, your mommy na police, your mommy na magistrate, my papa na minister. That kind of Pekin argument then. These two boy Pekin now, they start palava argument. The other one tell a friend say, my papa get fridge for us, your papa no get fridge. The one talk say, my papa get big television for us, your papa television not big like my papa a television. The other one tell a friend say, my papa he get gun for us. That means say that pistolet. The other one tell he say, that one for 12 years, that one for 50 years, say, Aka, let us say your papa get gun for us. That gun a toy gun, no not you know if you have that gun. The Pekin say, you say na toy gun? He say yes. He tells okay, he go now go bring the gun. The Pekin go bring the gun now, he come with the gun. As he come with the gun, a friend tell say, let that this in master. That na gun that, if na gun that make him shoot my Sam. Now he press and now, cut to come up, pow! He go enter that Pekin neck, that 12 years, na so, that 12 years. As I tell you na so that small jaka, he kwara. Wo cool. Play. Small Pekin argument make a small Pekin die. But now, that papa for that 15-year-old, if he get authorization for get gun, first question. Now policeman, second question. Now, if he get authorization for get gun, why he left gun for us come out for play with Pekin figure Siam? Now another important question that for understand. I hope say now the other way in that way police they try to investigate, they know for do their job and they will know the teacher anything. For know what really happen. How he leave gun for say Pekin touch am. If you get authorization for use gun, it be wood, it be police, it be CC video, we get for understand how the thing pass before that Pekin take gun so he shoot the friend with them. We play talk what did you tongue play? My papa do this, yeah, my papa did this, my papa do this and that, my papa do this and that. Plenty story. The other one, na so Reme, that Reme don't vex. What happen when that Reme vex? The Reme vex na because in Jaka, where we see I say that Jaka na Korean Jaka, it don't go enter na, it do na borde. It do borde, that Reme don't vex. That Reme say na I cook for that side for market for Pika 14. Anything we cook for day, and then just discover one day say a Pekin day for that kind of thing. They don't put a Pekin for that network for do mommy for business. You know, no, you do me mommy, you give me 500. You do me mommy, you give me 1,000. You do me mommy, you give me 2,000. You do me mommy 2 times, 3 times, you give me 10 kolo. Now so the Pekin don't begin be now. That means say they call her for big grammar say sex worker. The mommy don't write. Post them. Say the Pekin are always 17 years. And then the Pekin, he don't carry number 2 belly. That means say for 17 years, 2 belly, he don't get up. I don't know how it happens. So the pikin, let me say that I don't know what for which age the pikin start do that one. What I would do for the pikin because for normal circumstances, if you still pikin way in no day of age when a maturity like 18 years, you supposed to go ngata. Now 17 years, 2 belle. Now who then be the author for that belle? Now who don't take that pikin, put her for business, for sex working? Now they think that. The mommy talk say, he manage she life for marché Peter 14. You don't know what will happen for day where the pikin go begin come also begin do that kind of thing. The way never training for that way. When I know say something be when influence, bad influence they used to be bad influence. You get a pikin so you get neighbor, so neighbor we get so other pikin also other get big one way either the red for na side for na quarter way that pikin a friend. And then when you don't go reach that play, the thing go reach to the play, we go reach to the place. You go see now say, you go to convince you. Forget money easier, no begin nag your skin, forget money, wait to the suffer. We don't need to suffer, for get money. You get it so if it take you so go with my friend then, we go for the place, we go for the other place. Now for the you get money. Sometimes that's the way it happen. So the mommy the talk say, you never see in Jaka since long time. They begin, you don't happen, for go begin do mommy for business. Tori day, the tori wori naka for una. Na other tori for so young girl. The pikin, he then for that side for Bafusam. He named Nangetu Elise. He dey 20 years old. What happened for Elise? When I hear me, country people. Now say some man rape Elise. That means say he take he move cover for a swimming pool. In jump, he go he. Elise Naka discover say after that rape case, he did with him biok. That means say belle. Elise talk say, okay, he no go move the belle. He papa all the same. He say no, the driver advice he say no go move biok. He say go leave him, he go born no problem. Even they don't know the papa, the person will rape no problem. It don't be 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months. 5 months, 6 months, 7 months, 8 months, 9 months. At least one born now. It go be a complication. It not be born normally. They go for operating for big grammar. They call it cesarean section. Now either way, at least countryman, countrywoman, don, the chin, they operating, they move the pikin. He born 3 pikin. The rape girl, he get belle for born triplets. One of the pikin, any of that pikin na 92 grams weigh. So it don't be now so how the thing don't be. Now we go discover say Elise na big sister for 4 pikin for their family. Thing they know the waka. Ya papa be don kwara, and mommy too be don kwara. Na he be the big sister for the 4 pikin them. Let me say 3 brothers and sisters. They don't can rape now. He don't get belle deny for move am. We papa for around they be advising say me move the belle he deny. Now he don't born the 3 pikin now. Elise, he don't send SOS for outside. He say me the help. Me the help you we no day. They don't rape. He don't get belle. He don't born 3 pikin. Moyen no day for Angola. They pay for side for the podron vekes. I don't know. So I hope say people the way they did for all that connection, they go know that palaba Elise, and then they feel happy too because they don't publish all the Momo number they need for line. So people they feel help Elise, they know how to do about. When they go right Elise, for people they do for Facebook, when they go right get to Elise. When they write get to Elise, they go know, they go see them, the thing go appear. If you do anything they want to do for help, the Elise may come up for this terrible situation. So, countryman, countrywoman. Another that Fleur de Lille, on a the matter for Fleur de Lille, that influencer for Abebo Bangay. What happen with the Fleur de Lille, now with the Raymond Chenga, they will get their beef. They don't make an assault, they don't ton. The Mochenga non cut book. Fleur de Lille now enter co. I see enter co which happen. Now so they take it for Twanchi, they raclay, they take it, they can't go for cellule. Floor the lead on shit on for day, the matter don't be some way. It can discover say they don't give book a long time. But the thing I say this thing for that side for France, so it no be no all that thing them. Now according to the information we they gather. Now so we hear the talk and then it don't shit on for day 1 day, 2 days, you don't shit on to take skills are hot. They say now Samuel Etofis negotiate the release of Fleur de Lille. Now so you don't go viral now say now Eto don't try for release, make a the release see so Fleur de Lille it they release. But now so we must be very careful for the kind of talk they will talk for social media. They defamation them because some people in the way when I feel coach them for social media, they stay them quiet. Another one and they when I coach them, they go just take the video, they just go before, and then they ask, say, they want a case for the matter. So, we will be very, very careful. Man no know, things happen, with the way thing they happen. For me, go happen for way it used to happen, for way go happen for that way, where it don't happen. So, you go find yourself for a difficult situation. So, we will look out. From the don't come on now, escape if travel now go for France. Now, question what would they ask them? Because some cases and they don't release you on condition, say you must come, you say self for court, judge may they judge the matter with you. So one day they release you, say if you go you, if you turn back, no matter no go happen. So now so it day. Another story, Matisse, baby Matisse. Una know that small pikin with Dangobe Wafo. You walk a party sute. He go reach your house, and then he put wetty, he put net for his neck, crap, he cut his hand, he kill him. For sika wetty, sika he get query with his papa for that pikin, Matisse, so they call say Mr. Wanji. They did it now for some bar. What are they young? They look na ball, tempers, they begin run for air. He go reach for play with Dangobe, he want show that pass, say Wanji say he to get ngum. But Wanji begin gumpasi. So he grow, he has now, he go take na knife, he enter Wanji house, he want kwara or he picking them. Two of the picking them, they see the camp, they run, they go hide inside room. And then Matisse, he be the chop with bread and chocolate for palo, he no shake, he come, he choke his hand, and then he choke his neck. Now so the thing happen, they start holla. They done at the 3, I one do at the 3. Why not only one? So the other one they did. Never don't come out, domo you fine, and then they don't carry you go place. Now they never carry go kondengi. The thing they be they say they talk say no for talking, they talking they do so. So artists they don't vacate. Malox, le Viber, they don't vacate. They say no they possible. Say the man must answer for the thing we don't do. So plenty people they don't follow that movement now for talk say. How he be say, man fi kick mburu, na, so they don't send it for Kondenge. And then man fi kwara pikin, na, so they know they send it for Kondenge. Why he be say, justice is there so? They ask themselves, question them. And then they campaign for say me, they put the man, that go back from Gata. They continue, na very intense campaign now, where the thing go viral. So, on social media now, all artists them, comedians them, social activists them, they ask justice for Matisse. Column sportif for Ja and Lobo. They don't be now waiting. Now they be champion for Cameroon. Yes, number 1. Now they be champion. We are the champion. They be champion for MTN Elite 1 this season. Now they see as the match continue. How they be play the match. The thing go before way. They go far. They don't win up. And then they don't go now for we they will be the talker. They don't be on at 62 points. For that 62 points now, it's simple. Now a day like a 1 + 1 2 for since they create that club. Now the first time we they win like Oga quarter for championship for Cameroon. Maguna result for the 25th playing day. Victoria United for Limbe. A win Cotton Sport Garoua 3-1. Bambutu Sombuda, a win Gazelle for Garoua 1-0. Aigle for Mongo, he lost 0-2 for PWD Bamenda. Canon Sportif for Yaoundé, he lost against AS Fortuna for Fou 0-1. Colon Sportif for Jai Lobo, he win 1-0 Yosport Academy. Panther Sportif Fondé, he win Star Rena 1-0. Dynamo for Douala, he win 1-0 Union Sportif for Douala. Astro for Douala, he win 4th Azur Elite for Yaoundé 1-0. So, the classement, Nana Weti. Colombe, na number 1 with 62 points. Idouha na the champion. Gazelle for Garoua, he get 46 points. Coton Sport for Garoua, he get 44 points. Panther Fondé, he get 43 points. Victoria United, they get 33 points and a 5th position. So, number 1, Colombe, number 2, Gazelle for Garoua, number 3, Coton Sport, number 4, we get Panther, number 5, Victoria United, number 6, PWD for Bamenda, 34 points, number 7, 4th Azur for Yaoundé, 34 points, number 8, Stade Renard for Melon, 33 points, number 9, Astro for Douala, 32 points, number 10, Canon Sportif for Yaoundé, 32 points, number 11, Dynamo for Douala, 31 points, number 12, AS Fortuna for Fou, they get 30 points, and then team they for Red Zone, na Aigle for Mongo, Bamutu Sombuda, Union Sportif for Douala, Union Sport Academy. So now the classement that, and the result them for the 25th playing day for MTN Elite 1 Championship. They can't finish small time. Now so the team they, now so the team a day.